I'm, I can't even express my feelings. I have like a really mixed feelings. I kind of feel excited at the same time and also sad because like what if like my hard work did not come like true, you know. So like I'm really happy for everything, and I really want to thank God for it because I was kind of like sick during the time, well, like during when I was studying, and like it would really disturb me. But during exams, the sickness just went away. And, like I always like pray to God, like please help me, and like please like be with me during exams. Before exams also I pray, and even after exams, and I'm really thankful for God and also my family, my teachers, and everyone else. I think so, yes. Because there are some students, they're not good in studies, but they're good in other activities like sports, music. Like there are some who like want to be videographers. Like I really appreciate them, and like they find their dreams and what they want. So there are some who are like really lost, and through this supplementary, I hope they can find what they actually want, and like encourage them to do other activities besides studies, because like some of them they're not good in it like others are. So like I really hope, like I wish them all the best. My ambition is to become a doctor. I've had this dream since I was a kid. Like I feel this like calling whenever I go to hospitals, because my family like sometimes they always like they get sick. So I used to go to hospitals and I'll be like I admire the doctors, like oh how they save their lives and stuff like that. So I really want to become a doctor.